How's it going? Tim Kanak with Perkins Roofing, and this short little video for you today, we're going to be talking about a special deal that I have for you. A one-time offer. I need someone who needs a new roof that is approximately 4,500 to 5,000 square feet, and it's a tile roof. You want a tile roof. I can give you a brand new clay Tejas Borja roof for the same price as a concrete tile roof. Now check this out. Because Tejas loves me and because I'm the man, they gave me these really sick brand new Americana tiles. So I'm going to show you the difference here. I'll flip the camera around so you can see. Right here is one of our standard Tejas Borja tiles, the flat 10. It has the drainage channel here. This is a stone texture finish, and it has the rounded edge. One of the things Tejas wants to do is that they want an American style tile, because in America, the builders here, according to the Europeans who gave me this tile, said the builders here are dumb and they can't build decks flat, which means that you need more room for forgiveness, because these tiles lock in 3 points, and that means there's no room to adjust the tile if the deck is not correct. The new tiles are the same grade, high grade quality clay. The difference, and it has the same kind of paint. I really like this color, by the way. This is a really cool color, so this is the color that I could offer you, is that the end is flat, just like our concrete tiles. See, here's our concrete tile. I can't slam this one down like that, it would break. So this is our concrete tile. This is a slurry coated Westlake. Flat end, flat butt. So that means that we can't do miter tile with the curvy ones, but these flat ones, the Americana ones, which I just actually named it Americana. They never gave me a name for it because it's a. So you see, there's no stamp or anything on it. This is literally a prototype, and I am the first one who will ever be installing this roof, and that's why we're able to get it to you at a great price, because these tiles are way better than the friggin' concrete tiles. So you see, the way concrete tiles fit in is they abut right here on the side. This will abut the same way. But it does have the 3-point lock-in point like here. It just doesn't have the extra channel. And this allows you to play with the tiles. You see there's a little bit of play. They're not completely locked in. So this allows you as the installer to make little adjustments if you don't have a flat deck, so that the tiles will then look flat when you're installing them. So if you have a little deck delamination, you got to adjust the tile a little bit. You can actually do that with these ones. With these ones you cannot, because they all lock completely into place. So this allows for a little more play in the event that the builder sucks and didn't build a straight deck, which happens all the time, even on new construction homes, people. And also, this is something that a lot of people not from Florida don't understand, is that in Florida, we have elevation issues. It's constantly raining. I'll even show you on my own house. It's constantly raining. You got water pouring everywhere. And like these pavers were at one time flat and directly abutted this concrete pad. Not anymore. And you can see that these are kind of wavy now. It's from water running off, and it's regrading the land. The buildings here, the structures have movement due to erosion. You maybe learned about erosion in science class when you were in 5th grade or whatever, but here in Florida, there's a lot of erosion because of the rain. A lot of people don't think about this, and they buy a home and think everything's gonna be perfectly straight when it's not. So these tiles are perfect for that, so you don't have issues of seeing the deck deflections through the tiles, which you do on metal roofs too, is you'll see deck deflections there because metal's flat. The tiles allow for some play to give forgiveness to the builders who did not build a perfect deck by us tile people. So these tiles are really sick. Turn them around on the back too for you to see. You see the Tejas Borja You've got the lot number. They're stamped. They're made in Spain, even though I said they're Americana. They have more or less the same type of back groove, which is great for the foam. But one of the things here too is that this end is bigger. You see this end is smaller, this end is bigger. This allows for these to sit better on a high-pitched roof. So check out the Tejas Borja Americana. I only have enough for one roof, 4,500 to 5,000 square feet. We will be taking images. Tejas, their team from Spain, is going to come and take images, and we will be doing videos so that they can make sure that everybody likes these and put it in a magazine. So if you have a nice home that's 4,500, 5,000 square feet roughly, and you want a amazing tile for the price of a concrete tile, give me a call now, because we only have enough for one roof. This is a one roof thing. This is a limited thing. Brand new tile. Look, these are amazing tiles. These are way better than the concrete crap. So if you want this tile at an amazing price, give me a call.